students, today we study some common human disease caused by the protozoans. So near about 4 disease we'll describe today. First is the amoebiasis. It is also known as amoebic dysentery. The causative agent is the ant amoeba histolytica. Now, mode of transmission: contaminated food and water. Housefly is the mechanical vector because housefly can carry the protozoan from the infected areas and can spread this frequently. Diagnosis and symptoms: constipation, abdominal pain and cramps. क्रैम्प्स मीन्स एक तरह से पेट में ऐंठन हो जाती है, जो मरोड़ और दर्द पेट में इसके कारण हो जाता है. स्टूल विद द एक्सेस म्यूकस एंड ब्लड क्लॉट्स विद फीवर एंड चिलिंग. स्टूल के साथ ब्लड क्लॉट भी देखा जाता है. प्रिवेंशन कंट्रोल: सैनिटरी डिस्पोजल ऑफ ह्यूमन एक्सक्रीटा, सेफ ड्रिंकिंग वाटर, अवॉइड टू टेक द रॉ वेजिटेबल्स स्पेशली salad in salad. Proper drugs are available for this amoebiasis. Second disease is the Kala Azar. This disease is caused by Leishmania donovani. Leishmania is the causative agent of Kala Azar. Now, transmission of this disease takes place by sandfly. Actually, this is the digenetic. Leishmania is digenetic. The first host is the man, while second host is the sandfly. Symptoms: abdominal pain, abnormal thin, darkening of skin, diarrhea, night sweats. Affects internal body organs, especially liver, spleen, lymph nodes and bone marrow. In Kala Azar, especially the internal body organs are affected. Now, prevention and control. The healthy person should be protect from the sandfly bites and use insect repellents also. Third protozoan disease is the African sleeping sickness. Sleeping sickness means नाम से ही इसमें sleeping sickness पता लगता है कि एक इस बीमारी के कारण विक्टिम को नींद नहीं आती है. The causative agent is the Trypanosoma gambiensis is the causative agent. It is also a kind of digenetic host. It is also a kind of digenetic protozoan. First host is human being and second host is the tsetse fly, Glossina palpalis. Now, diagnosis and symptoms: insomnia or sleepiness. स्लीपीनेस और इंसोम्निया मीन्स निद्रा नहीं आती है, जो विक्टिम होता है उसे नींद नहीं आती. फीवर, जॉइंट पेन, इचिंग एंड कंफ्यूजन एंड प्रॉपर कोऑर्डिनेशन और उसमें सब में कंफ्यूजन रहता है मनुष्य को एक तरह से. नो ड्रग्स प्रोटेक्ट फ्रॉम द बाइट ऑफ द टीसी फ्लाई. इसकी कोई ड्रग्स नहीं है. ओनली एंड ओनली वी कैन protect ourselves from the bite of the TC fly. Now, next disease is the giardiasis. Causative agent Giardia. It is also a kind of protozoan. Now, mode of transmission: contaminated food and water, hand to mouth transfer of the cyst. Cyst is a condition of the protozoan. It is known as encystment. It is a kind of asexual reproduction. In unfavorable condition, this protozoan makes cyst around it. So this is known as cyst form. Now, so we can say that contaminated food and water, hand to mouth transfer of cyst from infected fecal matter. Now, diagnosis and symptoms: watery diarrhea, greasy stools, fatigues and cramps in the stomach muscles. Prevention control: prevention and control of giardiasis, practice of good hygiene, avoid to take the contaminated water and vegetables, especially salad. So these are some of the diseases which are caused due to the protozoan. Now next disease is the malaria, because malaria is very important topic and it have been asked so many times in the board examination in 5 marks. तो इसे हम अगला वीडियो में लेंगे. तो तब तक के लिए थैंक यू एंड हैव ए नाइस डे.